We are not satisfied in Pasquotank County.
That's right.
We are not satisfied with Sheriff Wooten's lack of structural integrity, decision-making, inability to enforce his own policies. We will not be satisfied until he resigns. We are not satisfied with District Attorney Wombly and his inability to carry out his duties without prejudice. We will fight until hell freezes over, and then we will fight on ice.
Since District Attorney Andrew Wombly's announcement last Tuesday, I have been haunted by too many questions. Questions like, why was it important that the DA put on the record that the deputies involved in the shooting have no prior excessive force complaints in order to justify his decision that Andrew Brown Jr. had to die to protect the lives of the deputies. And I have been wondering if Andrew Brown Jr. had a chance to speak, what would Andrew have to say? Would he get transparent and tell us who he was selling drugs for? Would he get, after all, if he had 3 grams of cocaine and 3 grams of methamphetamines, there had to be someone who had 300 grams of each. Andrew, why did you have to die? Let me ask it one more time. Andrew, why did you have to die? There's too much corruption in Elizabeth City. We need the FBI to continue its investigation. There's too much corruption in Elizabeth City.
Is what happened this week with District Attorney Wombly is nothing less than scandalous. And I've talked to some lawyers, high-ranking lawyers in law school, because I wanted to make sure I wasn't being biased. And they have said to me that was one of the most biased, contrary to jurisprudence, press conferences of a DA they had ever seen.
Ever seen.
First of all, where was he going?
Yeah.
If you're a real police department. And he was riding away.
That's right.
And if you were concerned about exiting, why didn't you block the streets off? And why didn't you make sure that the city chief of police knew you were having a tactical SWAT-like team in a residential and school zone?
Talk about it.
Tell the story. Now, I don't normally cuss. But what the hell kind of fools you think we are? If this becomes the pattern of the law of the land and the law of North Carolina, that a warrant is a license to kill, and that a DA has the decision that we couldn't let him go and allows murder, who is safe?
Help us, help us.